Modes are more than just scales, they're musical flavors. Each one has a unique set of intervals, creating a distinct mood, vibe, and emotional color. Understanding modes gives you a wider melodic vocabulary, better tools for improvisation, a deeper connection to the fretboard, and new inspiration for writing solos, riffs, and songs. Modes aren't just theory, they help you express feeling and shape your sound as a player. To truly hear the difference, I'm playing each mode from the same tonal center. That means using the same root, like A Dorian, A Phrygian, A Lydian, etc. This lets you hear how the intervals shift, how the mood changes, even though the root note stays the same. It's the clearest way to hear the personality of each mode, whether it's dark, bright, mysterious, or tense. To make the interval structure even clearer, I start each mode by playing it on a single string. That way, you can see and feel the distance between the notes, and understand exactly how each mode is built. Then, I play the same mode across all the strings in 2 octaves, so you can hear it in full musical context, and start getting it under your fingers, both visually and physically on the fretboard. I'm also including 2 powerful extra scales, Hijaz, Mixolydian flat 9, flat 13, a Middle Eastern flavor with a dramatic exotic sound, and the altered scale, the most tension-packed scale in jazz, perfect for dominant chords with bite. I play through all of them, one by one, so you can hear the differences and start using these sounds in your own music. Save this video and come back to it anytime you need a refresher on any of these modes or scales. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more lessons like this. Got a mode or scale you want to explore next? Drop it in the comments. I'm always open to ideas. See you in the next one, and keep exploring new sounds.